Hey everyone, doing a little video tour of the treehouse. Got the futon, got some stuff on there, don't look at that. And vacuum cleaner. Trapdoor. Got our light switch, dimmer switch for the LEDs under there. Light switch for the ceiling fan. Got a little TV here. Windowsills. Got an intercom too now finally, so we can talk to him here. Little ladder here. Another window. Loft up here. The girls got some pillows here. They got some nice comfy rug up there, and the girls made some pillows. So there we go. Got the wood flooring. Got some leftover wood floor. The baseboards, and got a little heater over there in the corner. Good to go. So that's about it. Thanks for watching the little treehouse tour, everyone. Have a great day.